everyone. In this video, we'll go through the solution of question number 9 from the exercise 2.2. So what the question is, this is the question which is based on the ages. The present age of Nakul's mother is 3 times the Nakul's present age. Means the Nakul's mother is 3 times the age of Nakul. After 5 years, their ages will add to 66 years. That is, the sum of their ages after 5 years will be 66 years. Find their present ages. So we will go for the solution. So the very first what we will do, we don't know what is the age of Nakul. So let Nakul's age be X and Nakul's mother age B, that is, she is 3 times the Nakul. Means if Nakul is X years old, then his mother will be 3x. Then what the question is saying, after 5 years. After 5 years, what will be the ages of Nakul and his mother? Nakul's age, that is, his age was X, so after 5 years it will be X plus 5. And his mother's age, that was 3x, so it will be 3x plus 5. After 5 years, their ages will add to 66 years. That is, the sum of their ages will be 66. So find their present ages. Now we can easily find, because sum of their ages we have 66. So we can find the value of x, and then after putting the value we will get the ages. So x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5 equals to 66. So we will solve it for the value of x. X plus 3x, that is 4x, 5 plus 5, that is 10, equals to 66. When 10 will move from LHS to RHS, it will get minus, that is 4x equals to 66 minus 10. 4x equals to 56. X equals to, the 4 will go in division, 56 by 4. On simplification we get x equals to 14, because 14 4s are 56. So now we have the value of x, and this we can put in Nakul's age. So what will be Nakul's age? Nakul's age, that is the present age of Nakul. Present Nakul's age, that is x, we got 14 years. And his mother's age, what was that? That was 3x. Means in place of x we will put 14. So 3 into 14, that is 42. 42 years. Nakul age we don't know, so we let it at x. Mother's age, it was 3 times, so 3x. After 5 years, means the Nakul age got x plus 5 and his mother's age 3x plus 5. And then the question was saying that the sum of ages will be 66. So we made an equation and solved it for the value of x. And we got the present age of Nakul and his mother. Question number 10 from the exercise 2.2. Mahima's father is 4 times as old as Manisha. Suppose if Manisha's age is 10 years, then what will be her father's age? Her father will be 40 years, because he is 4 times. If Manisha is 20 years, then her father will be 80 years old. Then after 5 years, her father's age will be 3 times as old as she then. Means suppose after 5 years, her age is 15 years. So what will be her father's age? It will be 3 times. That is 53 is a 45. This is the age of Manisha and this is the age of her father. So now you understood what the question is asking. Now we will go for the solution. Solution. We don't know what is Mahima's age. So let Mahima's age be X and her father's age be, what is it, 4 times, so it will be 4x. Then after 5 years her father's age will be 3 times as old as she then. Means after 5 years what is happening? After 5 years her father's age will be 3 times as old as she then. So first of all, what you will do, Mahima's age after 5 years it will be x plus 5 and her father's age it was 4x, so it will be 4x plus 5. Then question says her father's age will be 3 times as old as she then. So suppose if she is 10 years old and her father's ages will be 3 times, that is 30. If we multiply 3 in 10, then both the ages will get equal. So what you will do, the question is saying her father's age is 4 times the present age of Mahima. Sorry, 3 times. So you will multiply 3 in Mahima's age. This is the important thing, because most of the students do what? They do multiplication in the father's age. They say that her father's age will be 3 times. So they do multiplication in father's age. But that is wrong. You don't have to do the multiplication. If you do multiplication in father's age, it will be 90. And here Mahima is only 10 only. So what you have to do? If Mahima is 10 and her father is 3 times, that is 30. To make them equal, you have to multiply Mahima's age by 3. So therefore, we will multiply 3 in Mahima's age. And if we multiply 3 here, so their ages will be equal. Means Mahima's age equals to her father's age. When it is equal? When we multiply 3 in Mahima's age. 3x plus 5, this is Mahima's age, and father's age, that is 4x plus 5. So let us make some space here first. So 3 into x plus 5 equals to 4x plus 5. Correct? This was our equation. 3 into x, that is 3x. 3 into 5, that is 15, equals to 4x plus 5. You do one thing to make the question easy. Bring RHS complete on the LHS and this LHS on the RHS. You see how? 4x plus 5 equals to 3x plus 15. There will be no effect on the equation if you do this thing. Then bring the variables one side. 4x minus 3x equals to 15 plus 5 here minus 5. 4x minus 3x, that is x, equals to 10. So we got the value of x, that is Mahima's age is x. So Mahima's age, what is that? X. We got the value of x, and that is 10. 10 years old. And her father's age, that was 4x. 4 into 10, that is 40 years. So these are the present ages of Mahima and her father.